Hello, all, welcome back. Today we are going to learn more about MQSC, and we are going to learn one of the keyword, that is the in MQSC replace keyword and no replace. Replace, as you see it is replacing something with some other value, and no replace, it is not replacing. The replace is used with define. If you have something defining, and you can use at last replace to change it by it replace. Let me show you. If I create a local queue, let me create a local queue. Let me clear that. Get that. If I create a local queue, now let me create a local queue. D dot local. You can see it has been created b dot local. If you browse here, you can see b dot local has been created, and it has a put allowed, get allowed, and persistent, not persistent, and extended max depth is 5000 and this. But somehow situation came, we want to replace the same queue by same name but having some different properties. So we use the replace. Let me use the replace and show you. Here I have written in advance for you. Let me add for max depth one also. I want to max depth already added. I want to make the max depth 1000. Put disabled and default message yes. And if I will use replace, if I use a replace, it will replace the existing property by this. Let me show you. Now it has been, you can see it has been showing changed. Let me show. Let me show you. Now you can see here. Now it is giving the description which was earlier not given. Now put has been inverted. Default nature has been persistent, and it's that is one. If you want to change this, you can add also what max message length here. You can see here what I can do. Replace keyword is simply replacing the all the value that want to you change. That is the uniqueness of replace keyword. But if you are going with a no replace, then it will, what will it will do? Let me again is clear it and delete it the queue, and let me again create the local queue and show you. This is the local queue. Let me create it. Now you can see it has been created local queue, and let me, you can see the nature is everything by default. I want to change, I want to create a local queue whose name is b.local. Why I don't know by this name any queue is there or not in this queue manager queue max 1. I have no idea. I don't want to touch anything that is existing. That's the reason I use no replace. No replace is used to create a queue by checking that it, if it not exist in, it will create, but if it will exist, it will not create. Let me try. Let me try this one. If I use this, you can see it is already, it is giving that ws pair mq already exists. You can see here, because this is already exist, it is not replacing. You can see everything will be this by default, non persistent, allowed and 5000. Because I checks if b.local is present, I will not touch the anything. A replace keyword, if b.local is present, it will change whatever the property. Let me change the name of the b.local one. You can see it will now created. Let me copy it. Now you can see it has been created. If you see here, B.1 local has been created. You can see everything whatever I have defined, it has been created. The thing is that B dot replace is something replacing the value with whatever we are giving. No replace is not replacing. No replace is not. It is actually, if the queue is name is unique, then it will create. If it is not unique, it will not create. That's a simple thing. You will not touch the interface. That's the thing. Another thing you need to know, if these are the thing we if you want to change something, topic string name and something the topic objects name, if you these things want to change, then you cannot change by using the replace keyword. This thing is not use not work with the replace keyword. If you try to work with this thing with replace, it will not work. This thing you need to keep in mind. This is the simple thing the replace. You need to know how replace work. I have told in everything in details. Hope you understand. If you have any question, you can put in comment. I will okay to reply. Thank you.